Presenting Oppo A57 is 4G ready and it comes with Android 12. It weighs up to 187 grams. It comes with glowing black and glowing green. It consists of 4GB RAM and an internal memory of 64GB, which can be upgraded up to 1TB. This phone comes with dual SIM slot. It has 6.56-inch HD display along with side fingerprint sensor and AI face unlock. It consists of 8-megapixel front camera and 13-megapixel plus 2-megapixel RAW camera with night filter and AI portrait retouching. It has MediaTek Helio G35 processor. It has a battery power of 5000 mAh. The box includes adapter and SIM tray ejector. This product comes with standard brand warranty. Pay online using debit or credit card and net banking. Presenting Vivo Y22 smartphone. It is available in the colors Metaverse Green and Starlit Blue. You can choose between 4GB RAM, 64GB ROM and 6GB RAM, 128GB ROM variants depending on your usage. Designed with 6.55-inch HD plus LCD display for vibrant visuals. Capture your memories with the 50-megapixel plus 2-megapixel rear camera and 8-megapixel selfie camera. Get the best battery life with 18 watts fast charging and 5000 mAh battery. The box includes the handset SIM tray ejector, screen protector and USB cable. This product comes with standard brand warranty. Pay online using UPI, debit, credit card, Amazon Pay, net banking and cash on delivery.